Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the CompTIA SecurityX CAS-005 series. In this lesson, we are covering Objective 4.4.1 Malware Analysis and Incident Support. By the end of this video, you will understand the main methods of analyzing data and artifacts during incident response. Malware Analysis. Let's start with malware analysis. When malware is suspected, we need to understand what it does, how it spreads, and how to stop it. Detonation. This means executing the malware in a safe, controlled environment to observe its behavior. Think of it as putting the malware into a test chamber to see what actions it performs, like file changes, registry edits, or network connections. IOC extraction. IOCs stand for indicators of compromise. These are clues left behind by malware, such as unusual IP addresses, file hashes, registry keys, or domains. Extracting IOCs helps security teams detect the same attack in other systems. Sandboxing. A sandbox is a virtual environment that isolates malware from real systems. Analysts drop malware into the sandbox, watch its actions, and collect evidence, without risking real damage. Code stylometry. This is about analyzing the style of code. Just like handwriting can reveal an author, coding patterns can reveal who wrote the malware. Techniques like variant matching, coder similarity, and malware attribution help connect one sample to other known attacks. Reverse engineering. Next is reverse engineering. Sometimes analysts need to dig deeper than behavior. They need to break down the code itself. Disassembly and decompilation. Disassembly converts machine code back into human-readable assembly instructions. Decompilation goes one step further, turning binary code into a high-level programming form. This helps reveal the malware's logic and hidden functions. Binary and bytecode analysis. Malware often hides inside binary executables or scripts. Analyzing binaries and bytecode lets researchers understand exactly how the malware runs, even if obfuscation or encryption is used. Storage analysis. Now let's move to volatile and nonvolatile storage analysis. Volatile storage is temporary data in RAM. Malware often hides processes, keys, or injected code only in memory. If power is lost, this data disappears. That's why memory forensics is crucial during live incident response. Non-volatile storage refers to data saved on hard drives or SSDs. Analysts check for malicious files, system changes, persistence mechanisms, or logs that survive reboots. Network analysis. Another key step is network analysis. Malware frequently communicates with external servers for commands or to exfiltrate data. Analysts review network traffic, log, and packet captures to detect malicious domains, IP addresses, and unusual protocols. For example, if a workstation suddenly connects to a server in another country on a strange port, it may be command and control traffic. Host analysis. Finally, we have host analysis. This involves inspecting the infected machine itself. Analysts look at running processes, services, startup programs, registry changes, and security logs. The goal is to identify what the malware did locally, such as creating backdoors, stealing credentials, or disabling defenses. Summary. So, to summarize, malware analysis helps us understand malicious behavior through detonation, IOCs, sandboxing, and code stylometry. Reverse engineering digs into the malware's actual code with disassembly, decompilation, and binary inspection. Storage analysis reviews volatile memory and non-volatile disks for evidence. Network analysis tracks suspicious communications and data exfiltration. Host analysis examines local changes on the compromised system. All of these techniques together give security teams a complete picture of the attack, allowing them to respond effectively, contain the threat, and strengthen defenses for the future. That's it for this lesson on Objective 4.4.1. In the next video, we'll continue exploring security operations in the CAS-005 exam guide. Thanks for watching, and let's keep moving forward in your cybersecurity journey.